Good morning. We are on set with we are filming a Christmas ad today. So very busy styling. We have probably about 30 to 35 people on set. So yeah, very busy day. I can't show you guys a great deal only because obviously things are a bit top secret until it all goes live as a Christmas ad in December. But I will try and see if I can show you little bits, pieces and snippets. We're working today, so we're dressed very casual. I've got on my Arquette jumper, cos bag, always handy, and my Arquette trousers with my trusty New Balances. All important cast members are dressed, and so are all the extras. I'm here at the Stanley Arts Centre, so let's go. So far, things are hectic but flowing smoothly at the same time. Day in the life of a stylist. Very busy. Got the big steamer going on, accessories, bits and bobs, and a full-on rail. As I said, I'll see what I can show you, but for now it would probably be just little snippets.
Even though we're two. There we go, that's perfect. Alright, well done.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to London Fashion Week. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. It's actually really sunny outside. I'm surprised. We're having a bit of a Indian summer this September, it seems. Okay, we have a super hectic day today, and I literally need to run out of here in like 5 minutes. So let's quickly talk through it. First things first, I am heading to a Hush pop-up coffee shop somewhere around the area of Farringdon this morning. I will be checking out their new collection that they've got, which they kindly invited me to. I then have about 4 shows pretty much back to back. So hectic day. Probably have about an hour in between 4 of those shows. I'll actually get a bit of a break and I can find something to eat. And I've also invited my friends Oliver and Olivia to come see some of the shows with me. So you guys, if you haven't met them before, you will meet them today. Very exciting. But I thought I actually received some packages, some PR packages this past week, and I don't really always share them as much. But I thought, since it's Fashion Week, I'll share them with you guys today. So let's do that. Let me prop you guys up somewhere over here. Okay, that's pretty much good. That'll do. So first package that I got is from YSL Beauty. I'm still in shock. Let's open it and I will show you what I got. Oh my god, there's so many cool new products in here. Hopefully you can see this. So much. Oh, we have the All Hours Hyperfinish matte powder, a brand new primer, mascara. Oh, a double care balm. And I think this is meant to be really hydrating, so that would be cool to use. And then we also have a highly pigmented eyeliner. Very cool. So excited to use some of these products. So I will be using them. I'll let you know how I get on. I'm sure you'll see them in videos to come. A few of you have actually asked me to do like a kind of 10-minute skincare. I'm not really a skincare gal. That's not really my brand, but I might do one since some of you have asked so kindly. Anyway, some other packages that I picked up. I've actually already opened this. Some of the packaging is here. I got some great packaging from a brand, luxury affordable jewellery wear brand called Linjer. I actually did a collab video with them, which is already up, which I'll link up here somewhere. But yeah, this is one of the pieces that I was able to have the opportunity to kindly pick out, and it is this brilliant, beautiful, classic kind of autumnal mini jewelry box, which is so handy. I've actually got some pieces in there now. This is one of the pieces that I picked out called the Ada Open leaf ring. Really pretty. I'm not wearing that one today, but I am wearing 2 others, which is the Opal. This is beautiful. In the light, it like changes color, or you can see different colors in it: pink, green, white. Fantastic. And I've also got on this ring as well. You know me, I like my dainty jewellery. So that's that. And then I also got a package from a brand called TBCo. I don't know if they're actually called TBCo, if it's another name. But anywho, so they sent me some bits. I've already opened it, but it's in this packaging. 2 scarves, really cute. And I feel like I picked these colours out because they're perfect for the autumnal winter season, and 2, I just felt like they pretty much go really well with my actual personal authentic style and with everything that I pretty much have in my wardrobe, which is kind of what you want to do when you shop. So here we have this beautiful, this is a really long triangle shaped scarf for the autumn winter in this beautiful kind of burgundy color with nice pink, blush pink rim. And then I also picked out another one which is slightly shorter and this really nice dark deep brown with a green rim, like a mint green, and I thought they were pretty cool. So that's all the packaging. Maybe later on with my second outfit if I get time to change, but I'd like to wear either of these if possible. So that's that. Let's go. Adjusting. I'm rushing to Hush. Funny story. I left without mascara on. I look like a damn bird with no wings. Like, what the hell? I've had to message Olivia to bring me some mascara because no. Anyway, thankfully I have my sunglasses with me and I can put those on and they can be a bit of a distraction because goddamn. Also, why didn't we think to break the shoes in? My shoes are burning my feet and we have just started the day. At the Hush pop-up shop. I've got a cute little coffee and a cookie, very sweet. The collection is so nice, all the trendy colours and pieces, jackets. I mean, this is insane, and all the knitwear. Really cool pieces. So I'm going to hang out here for a little bit and check out some bits and bobs, see what's going on, see if I have some time to try on some pieces, and then we're going to head to the first runway show of the day. Guys, I'm so impressed with this Hush collection. There's so many pieces that I would wear. Let me show you this really cool blazer. Hang on. In this blazer with like a really nice crisp white shirt and like a nice pair of like maybe barrel jeans or straight leg jeans. are on our way to the first show. Absolutely love the girls at Hush. They're always so sweet. I have left with a bunch of goodies. Very, very cute, including a loaf of sourdough bread. You can't go to a coffee shop and not get some sort of pastry or bread, so love that for me. Let's go to the first show. Week, baby! show, I have stopped into the loo to try and change into my second outfit since we've got time. We've got about a good hour to change and then see if we can find something to eat. So yeah. You always count on wings to save you. However, it's so busy. I don't even know if they're going to make the next show at this point, hopefully. Wingstop for lunch at Fashion Week is crazy. What you gotta do, what you gotta do. terrible with updating today. We have outfit number 2. Guys, Oliver's first time at Blank Street. What's the verdict?
I am pleasantly surprised.
There we go.
Very nice.
Yes.
The hype is the hype.
Hallelujah.
Although it could be a bit sweeter.
Yeah. Show number 3, Liv is here. Last show is done. Really great shows today, but I am so tired. Literally all I want to do is just eat and sleep. So that's it. That's Fashion Week pretty much over. All done. We'll see you guys in the next video.